Clivet new generation of magnetic bearing centrifugal chiller with advanced technology and comprehensive evolution. Reliable, stable, and durable. Mechatronic design compressor create long-term quality assurance. The chiller adopts integrated thermal management technology, IC electric zone thermal management, and integrated three-dimensional, ultra-efficient phase change liquid cooling technology to achieve sufficient heat dissipation. Evaporator water outlet temperature ranges from 10 centigrade to 28 centigrade, dedicated for data center scenarios. By using harmonic treatment, the THID can be reduced to below 5%, meeting the requirements for data center applications. In the event of sudden power failure or other abnormal situations, the motor automatically switches to the generator to maintain rotor levitation. Double row backup bearings protect the rotor for safe landing. Rapid restart technology enables the system to start up in just 20 seconds. The comprehensive technical system ensures 24/7 uninterrupted and stable operation. Faced with the challenges of old building environments, the unit features a staggered structure design, compact body size, and flexible adaptation to space limitations. It is more convenient to transport and can be parallel connected with up to 16 units. With an IP67 high protection rating, the system is resistant to harsh environments such as high temperatures, humidity, dust accumulation, and corrosion. Using a 1-3,4Z refrigerant, it can achieve high efficiency and environmentally friendly with low carbon emissions. The chiller utilizes a variable frequency direct shock platform and introduces the innovative back-to-back impeller technology, which has been developed over 10 years of experience. The magnetic bearings automatically balance and reduce bearing power consumption, minimizing noise. It also features self-developed permanent magnet synchronous motor technology, allowing for high power operation of the compressor. The aerodynamic design is highly efficient under all operating conditions, resulting in a 6% increase in compressor circulation efficiency. The three-dimensional simulation fluid mechanics to optimize the layout of the piping, ensuring even flow through the use of anti-impact plates. The new type of copper tubing with needle-ribbed threads increases the heat exchange surface area and accelerates the removal of condensed liquid, resulting in a 30% improvement in heat exchange performance. This breakthrough in technology is just the beginning of what the chiller can do. The next generation air-cooled magnetic centrifugal chiller will enter a new era of comprehensive evolution, which can be parallel connected with up to 8 units, and also easier man-machine interaction with 10-inch screen. Clivet will also introduce high-temperature hot water heating function that is compatible with a variety of application scenarios. Deep cultivation, meticulous research, and multi-midination evolution. Clivet brings you the reliable future with the new magnetic centrifugal chillers. Magline Evo.